Dear students, welcome you all in your YouTube channel SS Science Academy. Today we have to see Maharashtra State Council of Education Research and Training Pune 30 Preparatory Bridge Course Test 3rd of Science and Technology Part 2 of Class 10th based on activity 1 to 50. This is for 30 marks and time is 1 hour. This test is very lengthy, so I make two videos of this test. In first video we have to see two questions and in another video we see another two questions. पहा हे तर मी पाहत आहे की तुम्ही आमचे व्हिडिओ पाहत आहात. आम्हाला प्रोत्साहित करत राहण्यासाठी चॅनललाही सबस्क्राइब करत चला. तुमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्रिप्शन आणि व्हिडिओची लिंक जास्तीत जास्त शेअर करणे हेच आमच्यासाठी फार मोठं प्रोत्साहन आहे. तर आम्हाला प्रोत्साहित करत राहण्यासाठी आणि सगळ्याच विद्यार्थ्यांना यापासून लाभ मिळवू देण्यासाठी लिंकला जास्तीत जास्त शेअर करत चला आणि चॅनलला सबस्क्राइब करत चला. तर सुरू करूया आपण आपल्या टेस्टला. द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आस्क्ड इन दिस टेस्ट is choose the correct alternative. This question is for 2 marks and the first question is to bring about plant growth is the main function of dash tissue. Here 4 options are given. The correct option is meristematic tissue. Second question is the network of capillaries in Bowman capsule is called glomerules. This is the third option. Then the second question is answer whether following statement are true or false. In a monohybrid cross, the phenotypic ratio is 9:3:3:1. This is false because this is the ratio of dihybrid cross. So this statement is false. Now the B question of question 1 is answer the following. The first question, this question is for 3 marks. The first question is find the odd one out. Paint residue, sludge, ash, dead rat. The odd is paint residue. Second is complete the second pair based on the correlation in the first pair. In woman, Turner syndrome occurs and in men, a Klinefelter syndrome occurs. Third is write the name of following tissue. Tissue joining muscles and bones. The tissue joining muscles and bones are called tendons tissue. Now we have to see question number second A. Answer the following. You have to write any two. This question is for 4 marks. The first question is give the scientific reason if the kidney get adversely affected, dialysis is required. Now we have to write answer. The efficiency of kidneys can be adversely affected by injury, infection or decreased blood supply. In case this happens, an excess of toxic substances accumulates in the body and it can lead to death. If kidneys fail, nitrogenous waste are separated from the blood with the help of man-made machine. The process of separating nitrogenous waste from blood with the help of machine is called dialysis. About 500 ml of blood is sent at one time through this machine and purified blood is infused into the body of the patient. Hence, if the kidneys get adversely affected, dialysis is required. Now the second question is complete the flow chart. You have to write harmful effects of solid waste. The first harmful effect is spreading of disease. Second is the effect on biodiversity. Third is production of toxic gases. Fourth is degradation of natural beauty. You can also write soil pollution, water pollution, air pollution also occurs because of harmful effect of solid waste. Now the third question is identify the disorder shown in a figure and describe characteristics of that disorder. This is the Down syndrome, that is 46+1 trisomy of 21st chromosome. The characteristics of Down syndrome are Down syndrome is a disorder arising due to chromosomal abnormality. Infants with this disorder have one extra chromosome with 21st pair in every cell of their body. Therefore, they have 47 chromosomes instead of 46. Children suffering from Down syndrome are usually mentally retarded and have short lifespan. Other symptoms include short height, short wide neck, flat nose, short fingers, scanty hair, single horizontal crease on palm, and a life expectancy of about 16 to 20 years. The best example of Down syndrome is Amitabh Bachchan in Parcel. Now the second B question of question second. Answer the following. You have to write any three for 6 marks. The first question is distinguish between monocots and dicots. So monocots, its seed has single cotyledon, and dicots seed has 2 cotyledons. Monocot, its roots is fibrous and its root well developed, primarily root. Its stem is hollow and its stem is strong and hard. The example of monocots are banana, onion, and dicots are banyan tree. The next question is define the following terms. So firstly define antibiotic. Carbon compounds obtained from some bacteria, fungi for destroying or preventing the growth of harmful microorganisms are called antibiotics. Now DNA fingerprinting. The sequence of the genes in the DNA of a person, that is genome of the person, is identified by laboratory techniques is called DNA fingerprinting. The third question is write the correct words in the box. Here a diagram of brain is given and you have to write the functions of the left brain and functions of the right brain. The functions of left brain are analytical thinking, logical thinking, language, science and mathematics, and the functions of right brain are holistic thinking, intuition, creativity, art and music. Here the first part of video is finished. In the second part we have to see question number 3rd and question number 4th. So to appreciate us, please subscribe the channel, share the link, and if you have any queries, any doubts, any questions regarding this test or regarding the science, please comment us in a comment section. So we will meet in the second part of this video. So be safe.